Surge with Anderson Quality Woodwork. We have 7 of Conrad's lift tables here. Since we started using them, we haven't had any back injuries. This is one that's set up to load the sliding table saw. As the sheets are used, we just raise it up and the guy's always grabbing that waist tight. It's pretty nice. We've had them for over 7 years, no warranty issues. Anytime there's ever been any question or a need for something, Conrad's always been available to come and take care of us. Can't say enough good stuff about them.
My name is Mauricio Mejia and I'm a cabinet maker at JR's Woodworks, and these benches that we use, these hydraulic benches, are very practical. Of all the shops I worked at, they are the most efficient. They go all the way down, so if I'm working on a big piece, I can lower all the way down and I can still work here. I don't have to bend down to work on anything. And I can raise it all the way up to almost chest level relatively quickly. If I want to sand something, I don't have to bend over to sand, but I can just at this height right here, break the edges, etc. So I actually move them up and down a lot throughout the day.